Hey guys, welcome back to Velocity Vista. So as promised, I'll give you the helmet cam and the interior view as well. This was September 29th at Englishtown Raceway Park. For context, it was a very packed day. We were running the driver's school, two groups of the driver's school, a blue group for open track and a red group for open track. I'm here in the blue group because my assumption was that there might be less people. Nevertheless, there was still about 12 to 15 cars on track, so it was packed. Overall, it was a fun day. What's different in this video is that, obviously with the different camera angles, but I am also trying out my summer set. So my summer tires are Yokohama Advan Apex V601s, 265, 35, 18, and they are wrapped around my Advan Racing TC4s in candy red. I have to specify that because they're just really nice to look at. Overall, it was a fun day. My tire pressures cold were 28 all around, and I didn't touch it at all. I was still getting used to the new setup, and overall they performed really well. So I'll let you guys watch. This is just my outlap, so just warming the car up a little bit, and we'll give it some beans. I'll pop in here and there to commentate on a few things. Until then, enjoy the video. So in this situation, there was a Civic in front of the beautiful G80 M3. Like I said, there's a lot of traffic, nothing to get annoyed about, although after a while it could get a little annoying when you want to pass somebody, but everyone's here to just do their own race, so no big deal. I will specify that I was interestingly able to keep up with this G80 on the turns. Now there could be a lot of factors for that, but I do think that my new tires and wheels allowed me to get deeper into the braking zone, and they provided a little more grip in turn in and corner exit. So over here I'm backing off a little bit, but once we come around this bend, I will be able to accelerate a little bit faster, and then obviously I can't keep up with the horsepower once the G80 gets going, but it was really interesting to see. I should also specify that my Advan wheels are 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset, so a little wider than what normally came on the Type R, significantly wider than what normally came on the Type R, but no issues with torque steer whatsoever. If any, it was very manageable, but overall, pleasant experience. So in this section where we just passed that GR86, I was able to keep up with the M3 on the turns. It's tighter than you'd think when you're going 60 plus miles per hour. And I think what was nice about these tires is that the grip is consistent. It's not a one lap wonder kind of tire. They did get greasy obviously throughout the end of the day, but they were there when you needed them. Even on this turn right here, in my past videos, you may see or notice that my front wheels are just spinning and they're not putting power down. There's no grip, but I'm able to exit stronger out of that last turn. And here we'll run into a little bit of a train with some traffic, so enjoy. Yeah, I know I got a little bit annoyed. I did put my hand up like what's going on, but got the point by. We're all good. Sometimes it's a good reminder to myself that it's not wheel-to-wheel racing. It's just a track day. Everyone's just trying to have fun, including myself. So, good vibes only. Shout out to my buddy Adrian out here. He's got a pretty cool Q50, and he's a really knowledgeable track enthusiast like ourselves. So shout out to Adrian. I always like to wave thanks or give a peace sign up when someone gives me a point by, even if they don't see it, just out of courtesy. But while we have this little point by train going on, one thing that I feel like I could have done better, not just during this session but throughout the day, was honestly not so much about the driving. It was maybe the night before. I think if I was physically and mentally rested, meaning I got a full night of sleep and I actually didn't push my body too much the night before working on the car or going to the gym or playing tennis, then I think my later sessions would have been a much better experience, because on this day it was solid mid 80s, so it was a pretty hot day. And I think sometimes and oftentimes we forget that being at the top of your game, especially at a track day or any kind of event that requires your full attention, concentration, coordination, you need to be rested. So that is one thing that I wish I did better. So now let's take a look at this right here. I get a point by on the inside of the turn, and in these sessions for open track it's point by anywhere. Normally I wouldn't advise anyone to take that unless they've had a few track days under their belt and are comfortable doing so. But in this situation, I thought it was pretty cool because it's the first time I've gotten a point by on the inside of that turn, especially by the wall, and I love taking that turn. And once again, I keep talking about the tires, but genuinely and seriously, these tires really gave me solid grip turning in and landing that pass. So pretty cool experience, pretty cool moment right there. The car in front of me is another buddy of mine named Alexi. Shout out to him. He's got a pretty clean Miata, very knowledgeable about the platform. As we say, NB means nothing better, so that's why NB Miata is the best one. Anyway, that was the end of the session. I used Track Addict for the first time with the recommendation from my buddy Chund. In this first session, I did a 125.3. I think my fastest throughout the day, given all the traffic and whatnot, was a 124.6. Obviously, this is my first time timing myself, and it's through my phone. I don't really have a high-frequency GPS, so not sure how accurate that is, but let me know if you guys have done anything better, or if there's a better benchmark or a way to benchmark your own lap times. Overall, this was a solid session. In my later videos from later in the day, my driving does get a little bit sloppier, and which is why I made the comment earlier about, be prepared by resting the night before. Overall, this first session was a solid session. Fresh tires, fresh brakes, fresh mind, and overall, it was a really fun time. Hoping to be back towards the middle of October. So keep an eye out for any more videos to come. If you stayed till this far, thank you so much guys for watching, and have a good one.